Okay, see question number 6. This is a little bit conceptual question. Two circles are there. First circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. And second circle is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. These two circles intersect at two distinct points. When? Then like they are asking, but when it is going to intersect at two distinct points, like we have to take it. If r is less than 2, r is equal to 2, r is greater than 2, r is in between 2 and 8. See here what is r? R is first circle's radius. Second circle radius you can find here. Okay? First circle radius. R as we can say R1. We will take here simply see let R1 is equal to R. So because then we should not have any confusion. But the standard formula we are going to write. See what I want to say. Two circles are like this. This is C1, this is C2. Think that this is touched at one point. Okay, see, observe carefully here. Say this is C1, this is C2. C1, C2 means centers. Say this is R1, this is R2. See from here to here this is R1, from here to here this is R2. Okay? Logic is here. Let me get R1, R2, then we will discuss more. Okay, see what I want to say here. See, first circle C1 is equal to 1 and 3. 1, 3. R1 is R only. Why? Because the R they have not given. 1, 3. Why? Because x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. H is 1, k is 3. H is 1, k is 3. C1 you have found. But you have to find this second one. See, 2g is equal to minus 8 and g is equal to minus 4. 2f is equal to 2 and f is equal to 1. Center C2 is equal to, this is second circle we are talking about. Minus g comma minus f, that is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Oh, 2f is 1 means see, this is f is going to become 1. Yeah, 1 minus 4. Minus 4 means see, 4 it is going to become. Okay, minus of minus 4 plus 4. This is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is your second center. 4 comma minus 1. Okay. Here radius you can find. See, before radius first you write this. C is equal to 8. See, R is equal to G square plus F square minus C under root. That is equal to G square means 16 plus 1 minus 8 under root. See, 17 minus 8, 9, 3. Radius will be 3. See, this is 3. R2 is 3. This radius I am taking as R2. R2 is equal to 3. Okay? Now, what I want to say, see, circle is touching at only one point. When C1, C2 you find, then we can calculate this. C1, C2 is equal to, see, 4 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square under root. 4 minus 1 is 3, 9, minus 4 square means 16, under root means 5. That means what you can understand here, C1, C2 is equal to 5. And now, I want to tell one thing. C1, C2 is total 5. 3 how to subtract from 5. R1 is going to become 2. If R1 is 2, it only touches at one point. Okay, it only touches at one point. If R1 is greater than 2, automatically this will penetrate inside this circle, then it is going to touch at 2 points. See, if R1 is greater than this, then automatically this is going to become like this. Why? Because it is going inside. After 2 points, it is going to touch. This concept you should have. That means definitely R is greater than 2. R1 is greater than 2. Then only this is going inside. If it goes inside only, touching at two distinct points, or else it will. What if R1 is less than 2? It never touch. It never touch. Okay? That is the concept. But any control is there. Greater than 2 means up to where? Yes. Up to 8. Why? Why? Because see, one formula is there. I am writing see. R1 minus R2 modulus greater should be C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. This is the formula. Okay, within this limit it should be, or else what will happen? It is touching means this is increasing size. If it increases total, this is going to become like this. Then it never touches. Okay, or else if it is like this, at least it will touch at one point. Goes beyond, then it never touches. Okay, that is why this control should be there. Okay. So what is R1 minus R2? That means see, R1 minus R2 should be 2. I will explain you. R1 we don't know. R1 minus 3 should be greater than 5, less than R1 plus R2. R1 plus 3. Okay, like that you take first. Okay, now you see, R1 value only, see, R means here R1. Don't forget, okay? See what I want to say. First I will take this. R1 minus 3 is less than 5. R1 should be less than 8. R should be less than 8. R1 is R here. Okay? Now we take second one. 5 should be greater than R1 plus 3. And 5 minus 3. 2 should be less than R1. That means R1 is greater than 2. R1 is greater than 2. Okay, that is the logic. Okay, now we stop this class. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.